Hi guys, I wanted to show you quickly what I used for the white gelatin fruit cake. So this is the type of a gelatin I used. I used all 4 packets of this. I will enclose the recipe below as I promised before, with 100 milliliters of water. So this is 30 grams of gelatin, which are 4 envelopes. I have vanilla sugar. I have 400 grams of raspberries. This is the only thing I used. However, the recipe also calls for 200 grams of blueberries. We don't really like blueberries, so I did not put it in my recipe. However, you can add 400 grams of raspberries, 200 grams of blueberries, 800 grams of sour cream of your choice. It can be low fat, any kind of fat. What I did today, I used 1 can of sour cream, and I had a few of this type of yogurts laying around, raspberry flavor. This is coffee, I didn't put this one. But I had this size, the little ones, 2 yogurts with 1 can of sour cream so that it's not too fattening. And it has 1 cup of regular sugar. And as I mentioned before, 100 milliliters of water. So what you would do first, you would open your envelopes, 4 of them all together. Mix it with 100 milliliters of water, let it bloom, leave it on the side until it gets really fluffy. At the same time, while you're waiting, take your sour cream and your yogurt, put it in your mixer bowl with your sugar and your vanilla. Mix it so well that it blends in really well. And then wait until your gelatin blooms. Put it back on the stove, heat it up until it becomes smooth without any kind of balls in there, any kind of bulky things. So once it melts, you're gonna add it into your sour cream mixture that's mixing into your mixing bowl. After that, the second video that you saw, I put raspberries on the bottom of my bundt cake, and then you will pour the white mixture over it. Put it in the refrigerator for a few hours, and you're set to go. Refrigerated at least 4 hours. So mine was there the entire day. I just tried it. It is delicious. It's light and you don't feel guilty eating it. I hope you enjoy it. Making white gelatin cake with sour cream. Instead of sour cream, I put a little bit of yogurt. I can include the recipe underneath if you're interested. This is low calorie. You can make it with low calorie sour cream or low calorie yogurt and have fresh berries inside. All you need is gelatin, yogurt, sour cream, and water, and some fresh berries for decoration, and also put it on the inside. So if you're interested, I will put the recipe underneath of my video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm just going to pour it in a mold like this. You can also put it in a belted cake pan and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours until the gelatin becomes a little harder, and then you can unmold it. And this type of a pan that I'm using, which is a bundt pan, you could just put it in a hot water and leave it there for a couple minutes until the gelatin gets a little loose so that it keeps the shape of the cake. And then you can turn it over and it will be a nice design. I will have a picture enclosed after this sets. It's still early, so after a couple of hours I'll post it on my Facebook and you will see the final product.